Imagine standing on a perfectly cut fairway, the ocean crashing in the distance, or towering mountains framing your next swing. Golf isn't just about the game. It's about the breathtaking landscapes that turn every round into an unforgettable experience. Every swing becomes part of the scenery. Every step across the course feels like walking through a living postcard. What makes these courses truly magical is how they blend sport with nature, offering not just a challenge for your game, but a feast for your senses. From emerald greens perched on dramatic cliffs to fairways winding through ancient forests, these are places where golf feels more like a journey than a competition. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most beautiful golf courses you'll want to play. Whether you're a seasoned golfer chasing your next bucket list course or just someone who loves stunning views, these destinations will take your breath away. Number 1. Pebble Beach Golf Links, California, USA. Few courses are as iconic as Pebble Beach. Perched along California's rugged Monterey Peninsula, this course blends natural beauty with golfing history. Imagine teeing off with waves crashing against rocky cliffs just a few feet away. Every hole feels like it was designed by nature itself. The 7th hole, a short par 3 overlooking the Pacific, might be one of the most photographed in the world. Pebble Beach has hosted countless U.S. Opens, but for everyday players, it's just as magical. Expensive? Sure. Worth it? Absolutely. Playing Pebble is like stepping into a living postcard, one you'll never forget. Number 2. St. Andrews Links, Scotland. If golf has a birthplace, it's here. St. Andrews, often called the home of golf, is more than 600 years old. Tradition oozes from every bunker and fairway. The old course, with its iconic Swilcan Bridge and Hell Bunker, is legendary for any golfer. But it's not just history that makes it beautiful. St. Andrews is set against Scotland's rugged coastline, with sweeping views of the North Sea. Walking these grounds connects you with centuries of golfers who've stood in the same spots. It's not just a round of golf, it's a pilgrimage that every golfer dreams of making. Number 3. Augusta National Golf Club, Georgia, USA. Augusta National is hallowed ground. Home of the Masters, this course isn't just beautiful, it's near perfection. Every blade of grass seems manicured, every azalea blooms at just the right time. Watching the Masters on TV is impressive, but being there in person is surreal. The Amen Corner stretch, holes 11 through 13, is both breathtaking and intimidating. Magnolia Lane, with its tree-lined drive, feels like an entrance to another world. It's famously private and nearly impossible to play, but even from a distance, Augusta's beauty is undeniable and forever tied to the magic of golf. Number 4. Cape Kidnappers, New Zealand. Perched high on cliffs overlooking Hawke's Bay, Cape Kidnappers is as dramatic as golf gets. Designed by Tom Doak, the course sprawls across ridges and valleys that seem to plunge straight into the Pacific Ocean. Some fairways sit 500 feet above the waves, making every shot feel larger than life. The scenery is wild, rugged, and unlike anything you'll see elsewhere. It's not just a golf course, it's an adventure, and the views? Simply unforgettable, giving you a sense of standing on the edge of the world with a club in hand. Number 5. Royal County Down, Northern Ireland, set beneath the Mourne Mountains. Royal County Down is often called one of the most beautiful courses in the world. Its fairways wind through purple heather and golden gorse, with mountain peaks providing a dramatic backdrop. The course layout is equally stunning. Challenging blind shots, rolling dunes, and some of the most picturesque holes you'll ever play. Add in the charm of Northern Ireland's coastline, and you've got a course that feels almost mythical. Its beauty and difficulty in perfect balance, making every round both rewarding and humbling. Number 6. Cypress Point Club, California, USA. Located just down the coast from Pebble Beach, Cypress Point might be even more breathtaking, though far more exclusive. Designed by Alistair Mackenzie, the course is famous for weaving seamlessly through forest, dunes, and ocean cliffs. The par 3 16th hole is the stuff of legend, a dramatic tee shot over crashing surf to a green set on the edge of a rocky outcrop. With deer often roaming the fairways and waves exploding below, Cypress Point is pure magic. Too bad it's nearly impossible to get a tee time. but just seeing it is unforgettable. Number 7. Banff Springs Golf Course, Canada, tucked deep in the Canadian Rockies. Banff Springs looks more like a painting than a golf course. Towering peaks surround lush fairways, while the Bow River winds through the layout. Designed by Stanley Thompson, the course is both stunning and challenging. The Devil's Cauldron, a par 3 over a glacial lake, is as intimidating as it is beautiful. In autumn, the changing colors turn the course into a sea of gold and red. It's one of those places where you don't care what you score. You're just grateful to be surrounded by such breathtaking natural beauty. Number 8. Whistling Straits, Wisconsin, USA. Set along the shores of Lake Michigan, Whistling Straits feels like it was carved out of the Irish coast, though it's in America's Midwest. Designed by Pete Dye, the course features rugged dunes, tall grasses, and endless views of the water. The Straits course has hosted multiple PGA championships and even a Ryder Cup. But beyond the competition, it's just visually spectacular. Walking its undulating fairways with the lake stretching endlessly beside you is enough to make any golfer fall in love, even if they've never set foot on a links course before. Number 9. Corrie Cliffs, New Zealand. Another gem from New Zealand. Corrie Cliffs offers jaw-dropping views of the Bay of Islands. Nearly every hole showcases the Pacific Ocean in some way, with beaches and cliffs making for dramatic scenery. The par 3 7th, played directly over the ocean, is as thrilling as it gets. Between the lush greenery, clear blue waters, and pristine design, Corrie Cliffs is often ranked among the world's most beautiful. It's remote, yes, but worth every mile traveled. Every swing here feels like part of a cinematic backdrop. Number 10. Le Golf National, France located just outside Paris, Le Golf National might be best known for hosting the 2018 Ryder Cup. Its Albatross course is a blend of sleek design and natural beauty, with rolling fairways, water hazards, and a setting that feels quintessentially French. What makes it special is the combination of modern flair with a classic European atmosphere. You can play around, then head into Paris for world-class dining and sightseeing. Golf here feels like part of a larger cultural adventure, and that's what makes it beautiful in its own way. Outro. And there you have it, 10 of the most beautiful golf courses in the world. From the cliffs of New Zealand to the timeless fairways of Scotland, each course offers more than just a game. It's an experience you'll remember for a lifetime. Which of these stunning courses would you play first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this list, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow golf lovers. Until next time, keep your swing smooth and your views unforgettable.